Hey, welcome to the shack of N6TLU. I've got another box opening video for you guys. This time I had 4 boxes that were hand delivered to me from a fellow up north. His call was N8RU. He decided to get out of the hobby and said, I'm going to donate this equipment to D-lab Electronics so he can feature it on his channel. Very cool. So I understand that there is a complete novice station in these boxes. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, let's start with the biggest box. It's actually marked with a very famous novice transmitter on the top. But I'm not going to show you that. Let's pop her open. Let's see what we got inside. We got bubble wrap. And what do we got here? I know what that is, but it's a dead giveaway. So I'm not going to show you that right now. Keep going here. Empty box? Oh yeah. You're going to like this. Here she comes. Drake 2NT novice transmitter. She's all there. And the reason that I didn't show you this other item is because it is a matching speaker. The 2CQ, which means we have a receiver in one of these boxes. Let's find it. Okay, next box. This one says Drake 2C right on the top. So let's hope that is in there. I actually like the 2C over the 2B because it ran common tubes, whereas the 2B had some really hard to find tubes in it. And if you get a good 2C, it'll perform just as good as that B any day. Oh yeah, it's in there. Here she comes. Got some parts. He did say something about some capacitor kits that he got from Hayseed Hamfest. Well, there she is. That is a good looking 2C chassis. Looks really nice on it. Look at that copper. She's beautiful and complete. It still has the old filter cap, so I'm sure that's what we've got here. Box 3! So here's a close-up on a couple items. Here is the 2C calibrator. Appears to be a solid state replacement. And of course we do have the Hayseed Hamfest cap kit for the 2C. And then here, it appears as though there is a meter for the 2NT. I don't know if that means the meter in that transmitter is bad or not, but it's always good to have a spare. Alright, let's move on to the next box. Alright, so that is the Drake novice station. I got another heavy box here and I have no idea what's in here. It's kind of like a little ham fest right here at the shack of N6TLU. Okay. This appears to be another radio. Some paper in the way. Alright, there is a cardboard tube here. Maybe a manual, possibly. This looks like the Heathkit. Oops. It is. Look at there. So we have another novice transmitter. It's the Heathkit AT-1. Beautiful condition. It's going to be a blast putting this stuff on the air. I think that's all for box 3. One box left. Here we go. Kind of surrounded by radios. Box number 4. Also fairly heavy. Maybe it is a matching receiver for the Heathkit. It'd be really cool. I'm not sure what the matching receiver was for the AT-1. I don't think this is a receiver. Move this box out of the way. But it was one really cool looking VFO. I've never seen a VFO like this. It says King on it. I don't think that's Globe King. The DB68 VFO. You guys ever heard one of those? That's really sweet. I like that. What we got here? Well, it's got a manual with it. Still going here. Still going. We got old Heathkit signal tracer. These are very desirable because not only do you get the audio indication, it's got a magic eye tube. Very nice. Very nice. This is like Christmas here for me, guys. This is the type of equipment that I'm always looking for to shoot hammered ham videos. So we got... Alright, let's do a walk around of the radio pile. We have the 2 CQ speaker that's sitting on top of the Drake 2T transmitter. Everything here is in great cosmetic shape. Got the 2C receiver. That thing's gorgeous. Sitting on top of it is the Heathkit AT-1. Got this cool King VFO. I can't wait to fire that thing up. And the Heathkit signal tracer with probe. Let's just walk around these guys. Check out the back side. Everything's in great condition. I'm super impressed with the chassis of that 2C receiver. You can eat off that thing. There's the back of the AT-1. Here is the back of the speaker. And below that, the 2T. What a great radio station. Alright, news update, guys. I was incorrect. This is not a VFO. This is actually a Preselector made by WRL, which was Globe. So at least I got the brand right, but the function wrong. So George N8RU, I don't know what to say, man. This is like super cool. I just love getting this kind of equipment in because not only is it fun to project with, but it's fun to demonstrate on the air, and I plan to do that. We'll start off with the Drake equipment because I kind of miss that old Drake 2T. We'll see how that thing performs. Thanks again for your generosity. This is really cool.